little friends, welcome back to another cooking video with Miss Jailene. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make s'mores in the oven. The ingredients you're going to need is graham crackers, your Hershey's chocolate bar, and your marshmallows. You're going to need a baking pan. You're going to need an oven, which you're going to have to set to 425 degrees, and because we're using an oven, you're going to need an adult or an older sibling to help you. Let's get started. So what you're going to need is your graham crackers. I'm actually going to, oh, that one broke, break these in half, just like that. So I'm actually going to do 4 s'mores, but you can do as many as you want. So first I broke 2 in half, so now I have 4 bottom layers. Then I'm going to grab my chocolate. You can buy the big chocolate bar and break, but I like just using the mini ones. And it placed right on top. Just like that. And now grab 1 marshmallow and put on each. Just like that. And now the next step is that we're going to, once your oven is at 425 degrees, you're going to stick it in the oven for 5 minutes. Okay, my little friends, I'm back and these are out of the oven. Remember, you're going to need an adult or an older sibling to help you because you need to put it into the oven. It's extremely hot. You take it out, it's extremely hot. I just took mine out, and now for the last step is grab more graham crackers, break it in half, and just stick it on top and squish. Squish. This is probably my favorite part, just squish. Squish. And I'm just gonna grab one to show you. Ooh, so messy and gooey. But that's stripping. That's what it looks like. And that is how you make s'mores in the oven at home. I hope you guys enjoyed making this quick snack with me. Bye, my little friends.